Hello guys, we are back with another Leetcode problem. Let's see the today's problem and come up with a great solution. And today's problem is increasing order search string. This question is fall into the category of easy, but it's a highly like, so it's a must do question. So let's deep dive into the question. What actually question asks? So you have given a root of the binary search tree. Okay, you have given a binary search tree, and what's your duty? You rearrange the tree in order so that leftmost node in the tree is now to the root of the tree, and every node has no left child and only one right child. So what actually sound like that? You have to just you have given this BST and you have to change into the sorted increasing tree like this, and every node have left child is none. So that's just pretty much straightforward. You have to just convert into it. So what's actually my mind? The property of the BST, binary search tree. If we stored BST in order traversion, if it store the if we traverse the nodes in the uh, in order traversion, what actually get? We get a sorted array. If we store the data in the value form, we get sorted array. So we are using that property here and try to make this type of tree. And there's a two ways. We can use an extra space and we don't use extra space. You can both of them, and doing with the extra space, it's easy to do. You just take the what you just take the in order traversal and store into the vector every node's value, and after then create a brand new tree. So it's a one of the way, and I'll use in another way, like a link in linked list. We use a dummy node and then make a linked list. We are using the same approach here too, but in that case I'll just I sliding the pointers here, sliding the nodes. So let me just write the code, then you understand what I actually trying to explain you guys. So here what I'm going to do, I'll make a node. Let's name it dummy, and initially initialize with a, a -1. Okay, and after doing this, and I'll make a globally pointer here, which can I use in any function. So let's name it current, and here I'll just assign my current to the dummy. Why I'm doing this? Because I'll just move my this current. It's actually point the dummy right now, starting of the dummy, and I'm going to add it every tree node into this dummy, just sliding the point next point right pointer, that things. So how can I do? I'll just pass in order. Let's in order I just sort write it in function and pass it my root here. This in what it actually does, it actually store all the, no need to focus on this what is actually do right now, focus on that. If I just call this function, it actually initialize all the tree nodes into that. Let's say I have a -1, my dummy node, and this is going to add into the right part of this dummy. So it makes these things. After this, what I'm going to do, I'll just simply return my dummy right. We have our only duty to return the dummy right. That's it. Let's try to complete our in function. It's a void type function, and it's take only one parameter. It's a node of the root. What I'm going to do, it's in order traverse, obvious. First and foremost, what I'm going to do, if my root is null, in that case I'll just break return, And in order, what we are going to do, we just first traverse to the left. So I'm going to traverse left. Root is goes to the left, and after traversing the left, what's my duty here? What's my duty? I have to make sure my root left is going to be null in that case. So I'll do this thing. My root left is going to be null. After doing this, what's my duty? I have to my current right. Currently my current is pointing to dummy. My dummy right actually pointing to the root. Is it true? That the things I'm done. After doing this, what I'm going to do, I have to move my current pointer to this root. Okay, so I'll just move it, and no need to worry about that how it's work. You have to believe on the recursion, and recursion do its job. You have to just focus on the small case, and if the small case is work, it work for the bigger case too. So after doing this, what I'm going to do, I have to move to the right. For in order traversal, what we are first do, we just go left, then do the we just print or do some function on the root part, and after we go to the right subtree. So that's it guys, let's run this code, and it's accepted. Let's submit this code, and then what was the result, and it's accepted. So if you have any doubt in this code, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding guys, and stay tuned.